Het was lekker om vir Chantal gister te ontmoet hier op die Expresso stel en sy was vroeg vanoggend al hier en sy sit reg in Hannon se stoel vir haar oormaak sessie vanoggend. Môre Chantal, lekker om jou op Expresso te hê. Hoe voel jy vandag?
Oh, nervous.
Hannon, wat gaan ons met Chantal maak?
You know, the quick and easiest way to get color and definition on your face is with some lip color. And Liesel, I love multi-purpose products.
Ja.
Kijk, Chantal gaan mos na troue toe. En by die troue het jy klein handsakkies. So you don't have space for a lot of things. I'm going to make use of the natural gel Hannon lip liner because this is a lip liner and a lipstick all in one.
You say gel. I've never heard gel mentioned in a lip liner.
You know, when cosmetic pencils are concerned, natural, like kohl, is not always the best. Now, gel pencil is like a silicone. It glides on very easily. It's hypoallergenic, which is very important. And it's also sheer. So in other words, it works like almost like a silk stocking. Met ander woorde, jou eie velkleur skyn deur. So dit beteken dat enige iemand van enige velkleur kan 'n gel lippotlood gebruik. So it's like having your own designer lip color doll.
Ja, en niemand het dieselfde lipkleur nie. My problem is I don't know how to apply lip liner, and I'm sure I'm not the only one out there.
What I do is always keep your point sharp. That's very important. Then you start off by just lining the lips, first of all. And once you've established the shape, then you can color in the lips completely. What's nice about the fact that if you use a multi-purpose product like this natural gel lip liner is, of course, that it doesn't bleed, which is a big problem for a lot of girls. And it is stay fast. So basically what you do is you are staining the lips. So even if you decide to apply lipstick or a lip gloss over top that, you will still have the nice base of a primer underneath the color.
And the color that it comes available in?
We have two colors. This one is for a stronger lip color because that's her focal point. It's called natural. But then if you want, let's say, a color that's a little bit softer, paler, more or less like the color that you're wearing at the moment, you go for a color called nude. Nude.
Oeh, dit lijkt mooi. Ek gaan nou probeer. Kaal lipgloss. En waar kan mense meer uitvind oor jou produkte?
Wel, hulle gaan natuurlik na my webwerf hannon.co.za.
Ek moet sê ek was gister daarop. You can see everything on there and all the products as well. What else are we going to do with Chantal?
Chantal het 'n splinternuwe haarstyl nodig, nee. Dit is net nou sy afdeling waarna ons gaan kyk.
Okay, ek gaan julle los om aan te gaan met die grimering. Is daar enige laaste punte of tips of enigiets oor die make-up waar jy wil gesels?
Weet jy wat, ek dink 'n mens se onderlaag is 'n geweldige belangrike ding, nê? So wanneer 'n mens baie aktief is, moet jy verkieslik gaan vir 'n onderlaag wat vir jou meer 'n mat afwerking gee, soos wat ons nou op Chantal gebruik het. 'n Mens kry twee soorte onderlaag. Mens kry vloeistof onderlaag wat vir jou meer 'n glossy voorkoms gee, maar jou mat afwerking gaan definitief vir jou langer hou gedurende die dag. En dan natuurlik net nou gaan ek vir julle wys wat jy kan doen om jou make-up die hele dag perfek te laat lyk.
Oeh, ek kan nie wag daarvoor nie. Ons kom nou weer terug na Hannon toe om uit te vind hoe jy jou make-up die hele dag kan laat hou. Maar ons kom net nou na die breek terug. Ons kook saam met die kleinspan en jy het ook ons fliekrubriek. So bly saam met ons hier op SABC3. Dis Expresso. Expresso hier op SABC3 en soos jy kan sien is Hannon Botmag baie besig met ons oormaak sessie met Chantal vanoggend. Hannon, ek moet sê haar lippe lyk fantasties. Ek weet jy die gel lip liner gebruik. Dis 'n nuwe woord wat ek geleer het, gel lip liner. Maar ek wil vir jou vra, krullerige hare, curly hair. What is the solution?
Actually, what is the biggest problem? The biggest problem with curly hair is frizz. The curlier the hair, the frizzer the hair. Now, the reason why curly hair frizzes is because curly hair doesn't have the capacity to hold moisture in the hair shaft. Die oomblik as krulhare droog is dit al klaar weer droog, weet op soek na vog in die lug. So Liesel, what I've done is I've treated Chantal's hair first of all with the Extreme Anti-Frizz shampoo and we've conditioned with the Extreme Anti-Frizz conditioner. So basically what these two products does, they oversaturates the hair with moisture so that vul die haarskag op. So as die hare droog is, soek nie dit meer vir vog in die lug nie.
Ooh, dis easy.
Interessant,
ja, dis baie interessant.
Okay. Now another problem, because curly hair has a lot of challenges. Another problem with curly hair is the amount of volume problems. Not too little volume, too much problem. These girls suffer from big hair. So I'm spraying on about 10 sprays of the Hannon Silk Finishing Spray. Now this is a spray-on moisturizer. It basically will soften the hair shaft, but it also fills up the hair with a lot of moisture, and it's a radical volume reducer.
And it doesn't smell overpowering, because a lot of these products smell overpowering, and you you feel like you're going to get high from a product. It smells really nice and fresh. Yes.
And fresh, absolutely. So now we get to the final product. Where do we want to go?
Yeah.
With curly hair, you have two options. You can either make use of your natural curls, so what you can do, you will just leave it to dry naturally, maybe with a styling product. The problem is, and Chantal will tell you, as jy vandag jou hare krullerig los, môre moet jy dit weer shampoo, want dit lyk nie mooi môre nie. But
Yes, you know.
the other option is you can go straight with your hair. And if you blow dry your hair straight successfully, you can go 2 or 3 days without blow drying it.
Do you like your hair straight, Chantal?
Yeah, but I don't do it very often.
Does it take time?
Yeah.
Okay, Chantal, ek gaan sorg dat hierdie hare reguit bly vir 'n paar dae. So onthou hierdie woord, blow straight. Now, Liesel, what I'm using is a couple of drops of the blow straight lotion. You're actually going to witness a miracle now.
Okay.
Okay, what I'm going to do is you apply it over the hair,
Yeah.
and I'm just going to show you on the front bit, because as you comb it, you will actually see how the hair starts relaxing.
Ek sien so, ja.
Even before you blow dry the hair.
Yeah.
So that makes the blow dry process so much easier and more effective. Plus, the blow straight lotion contains a wax that we derive from the henna plant. Now, the wax forms a protective layer around the hair. So let's say there is mist in the atmosphere, soos jy so in die Kaap,
Ja,
nee,
veral hier in die Kaap.
and your hare mints. So that moisture cannot penetrate into the hair, so the hair will stay straight for so much longer. If you blow dry curly hair straight, you need a strong hair dryer
Ja, 'n strong hair dryer.
and the biggest brush you can find. I don't care what the magazine says, size does matter.
Wel, ek gaan jou los met 'n haardroër en 'n groot borsel om aan te gaan met Chantal se hare. Geniet dit, Chantal. And when we get back, I'm going to be chatting to the mayor of Hamagara, and we're also going to be finding out some fitness tips from Ewan and cooking with Michael Olivier. Also on the way here on Expresso on SABC3.
Be glam by night. From Hannon.
Kia would say, we can't wait to meet you at our first ever Expresso breakfast event this Saturday. It's only 250 Rand per couple. Send an email expresso@expressoshow.com and we'll send you all the details. Now, we've been very busy in the studio this morning with Hannon Botma, the man with the golden hands, busy with our makeover session. And ons is besig met Chantal vanoggend.
Oh, sy lyk beautiful.
Dink jy so?
Sy lyk fantasties. Sy's gereed vir die werk.
Ja.
Maar ek dink sy's meer gereed vir die aandfunksie, die troue waartoe sy gaan.
Moet ons haar uitroep sodat ons kan sien hoe sy
Ek
lyk.
dink ons wag nou lank genoeg.
Okay, Chantal, stap so lank uit. Kom ons sien hoe lyk jy. Hoe mooi is daai rok?
Dit lyk fantasties. Ek dink Chantal lyk nie net mooi nie, ek dink sy voel fantasties.
Chantal, hoe voel jy?
Shoo.
Draai gou vir ons in die ronde. Daai skoene is ongelooflik. Daai rok is so mooi kleur aan jou. Jou lippe, jou hare. Vertel ons van jou hare.
Okay, goed. Nou onthou mense met krulhare het spesiale uitdagings, nê? So wat ons gedoen het, ons het al die Hannon Extreme Anti-Frizz produkte gebruik wat genoeg volgende hare gaan insit sodat ons hierdie reguit voorkoms kan hou vir 'n geruime tyd. Maar Liesel, baie belangrik, haar mond vir daggremering is eintlik haar fokuspunt, nê? En onthou net ek beloof dat ek vir julle gaan wys wat om te doen om jou gremering die hele dag perfek te hou. Now, you know they say diamonds are a girl's best friend, but you need the moisture seal. This is even a bigger friend. Okay, so what you do is, just before you leave your house in the morning, you spray about 3 sprays over your face. So, Chantal, close your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Now, this sets and seals your makeup for at least 10 hours. So, as sy nou van haar terugkom van die troue af, of in die einde van 'n lang dag, dan lyk sy nog net so mooi soos wat sy vanoggend ingestap het.
Ek hou daarvan. Dis definitief a girl's best friend. What's your website address?
www.hannon.co.za.
En daar kan mense meer uitvind oor jou produkte en alles wat jy aanbied.
Daar's hy.
Chantal, draai jy nog een keer in die ronde vir ons? Is rooi 'n kleur wat jy ooit sal dra? Is it a color you'd ever wear?
Not usually, no.
I think it is a color you should get more of in your wardrobe because it looks beautiful.
Ek dink beslis so. Die ander ding is wanneer mense uitnodiging kry na 'n troue toe, dan weet baie vrouens nie glad nie wat hulle moet aantrek nie, formeel, semi-formeel, wat ook al. Maar ek dink as jy belê in 'n cocktail tipe rokkie soos hierdie in jou gunsteling kleur of die kleur wat jy op jou beste laat lyk, is dit altyd die beste investment wat jy ooit kan doen.
Wel, Hannon, dit was lekker om saam met jou weer saam met jou te kuier en Chantal, jy lyk beautiful. beautiful. Om deel te wees van Hanan se makeovers elke week hier op Expresso, stuur 'n e-pos aan makeover@expressoshow.com en dalk is jy hier volgende week. Nou kuier ons met 'n talentvolle man, Dani Nia, sit in ons sitkamer saam met Katlego.
Hanan, be glam by day,